Hi, welcome to Beeper Peeper Gold Nugget Seeker. Well, my wife was nice enough to get me some really nice gloves, and I really liked them. These are nice welding gloves, and she got them from work. And I also got myself a nice smelter, and it comes with these big, huge pliers for picking up the crucible. I've been working it like crazy, and this is what it looks like. It's very cool. I love it. Makes my life a lot easier and a lot easier to smelt gold. Okay, well, anyways, here it is. There's my smelter. I can make and melt gold now. Very cool. It's awesome. And it comes with a great big, huge, very hot crucible. This thing's about the size of my coffee cup. It's awesome. I love it. I even used it a few times. I like it. You just put that in there like that. You let go of this. You turn it on. You close it. And you wait 15-20 minutes. And it melts the gold at 1064.18 Celsius. It's the best machine I've ever seen. I've seen these other ones. I went to Gold River or Green River Gold, and they had a smelter that was basically, it was $300, and it was just cheap and junky, and I didn't want to spend the money because it needed crucibles, it needed all sorts of work to it, and I just found that it was a big waste of time. I just couldn't stand it. So now I've got myself some gold, and I've been melting and smelting, and I got to clean up some. There's another piece right there. And I got some other small pieces that I've been saving up, and I am going to be doing lots of cool stuff. I can't wait to do some more because it's awesome. It's just awesome. So, gold melts up. Let's see. Gold melts at 1064.18 Celsius. Silver at 661.78 Celsius. And copper 1084 plus 62 Celsius. So I'm not going to be doing any copper right now, but I'm going to be doing some gold. That's my main priority. I want to get all the good stuff out of the gold. I want to get all the junk out of the gold, pardon me. And I just been playing around with it for the last couple of days, and it's phenomenal. I love it. So yeah, so I got some gold to process, and yeah, this is what it looks like when you turn it on. Turn on the switch here, and it tells you the degrees, and up here on the top in red, that's where it counts from 110. It's 110, and when it gets to 1,800 or 1,086, then that's when it's good. And you let it sit for a few minutes. It takes about 35 minutes to melt the gold, and it's amazing how good this thing is. I love it. It's only I don't know, I think it's like 10 pounds, this machine. It's pretty cool. And I'll see if I can get you guys to sit back and watch me do my thing. If I can get this thing to sit up properly. Okay. There. I'll have you sit like that. And what you do is you put your gloves on, because you do not want to burn yourself with this. And right now it is at 110. So I take this crucible out with these tongs. They fit over these grooves. I love this machine. It is so cool. Works so good. Take it out like this. And you don't have to prepare it or nothing. You just, all you do is you get your gold. Stick this bar back in here. Slide it to the bottom. There's another piece. And then you pick it up and you gently put it into the bottom of the smelter. You make sure that the spout on the top here is pointed that way so you can pour it. And then you just close it up and wait 30 minutes. And that's it. That's all you have to do is wait 30 minutes. I got these little crucibles with it, or for it. This one's maybe ½ ounce. It's made of graphite. It's pretty cool. You gotta heat that up really good. And this one here is for 5 ounce. And this one is graphite as well. And it works very well too. You can't wreck these that much. And I always put them on here. I got a piece of steel that I use to put in the vise right here. Move that out of the way so you can see. And I get the vise and I open it up. And I put the plate inside the vise, like so. And then I got my crucible and I put it up on the top of the vise. And then I get the torch. And heat up the crucible so it doesn't crack or break or anything like that. Oh, and that also came with this other one. This really big one too. This crucible here. And there's a small one for ½ ounce. Really small, tiny one. I don't really need that badly. And it comes with this one too. And this one's for, I don't know, 10 ounces. 10 ounces of gold. I can smelt it in there. It is at 176 degrees right now. Heat this up, and then you can pour the gold right into here. It's very cool. I love it. It's an awesome setup, because I was actually in the process of making one, and I made one out of this steel piece. I had this made, and then I put rope, fireplace replacement seal rope inside there. That was $15. Plus, to have this welded up, to have a plate that goes over top of this. Plus, I needed another $60 just to make one of these. and it was going to cost me more money to make the darn thing than it was just to buy it. There was a little one that was at Green River Gold, and it was $375, and it was cheap. It was so cheaply made. It had the lid that was coming off, and you had to buy torches, and you had to do this, and you had to do that. With this thing, it was $250 to buy online, and I got it from the States, and it's quiet, and it takes 30 minutes to do, and it's awesome. It's just so cool, and I love it. I just love it. It came with these tongs. It came with the crucible. It came with this crucible. It came with all the extra parts and pieces and stuff with it. It's just the best thing ever. I need a new piece of tile because I dripped some molten metal in there, and it kind of broke, but I'm not really worried about it. I got lots of tile. And these crucibles here, you have to put borax in them to get them to gloss over. This was $18, and the crucible that's in here is half the price of this. So, well worth your time and effort to do that instead. And yeah, I got lots of gold to process, and yeah, I can't wait to see what the results is again. So I'll be smelting this in the next I don't know, say it's 4:15 now, or 5:15 now, so about 40 minutes it should be done and ready to pour, and then I'll show you how well that went. That's cool. Now it's at 334 degrees. I was trying to melt gold and my gold in the crucibles, the white ones, in that big stove, in this big wood stove. That's my big wood stove. And I couldn't get it hot enough. I couldn't get it. I had to burn wood and put the gold in the crucible and try and melt it in that giant stove, and I couldn't get it up to 1,000 degrees. But this thing does get up to what? It gets up to 980 degrees, and that's kind of scary. It's not exactly what I want to do, doing that. And yeah, it's not worth your time to burn your barn down. So at least with this thing, this smelter, I can get it up to 2,900 degrees and melt everything that I need with this safely. So I'm happy, and I'm sure I mentioned to my beautiful wife that yes, I am very happy that I have this, and later on I'm gonna try and melt some copper. I got some massive amount of copper, so I can't wait to try this and do it some more. It's gonna be lots of fun, and yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope I'm not rambling on over nothing, but I'm new at this. It's been a while since I've started doing the YouTube thing, and yeah, I'm excited. I am so excited, so I can't wait to. Now it's at 480 degrees, and another what? I don't know, 6 o'clock, it should be even more. So, yeah, I can't wait till it's done. And it's pretty cool. You gotta get one. If you're gonna do any melting or smelting any copper or silver or gold or aluminum, uh, you can use this thing. This will actually do platinum too. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and it comes with a warranty. I think it's a year warranty, and it's a cat's ass basically. So yeah, uh, hit that like button and subscribe and let me know what you like and if there's anything I can help you with. Um, that'll be awesome. I'll help you as much as I can, and hopefully my other subscriber people out there, they're having fun doing their like. There's Polly, the gold prospector. He's pretty cool. He lives on the island, Vancouver Island. So I used to live over there. I pan for gold all the time over there. It's lots of fun. I like doing it. It's just fun. And yeah, gold's not really worth that much right now. I think it's 18.98 or something an ounce. So I'm just gonna save it up and then later on, and then oh yeah, I got gold out of CPUs out of computers. So I find some old computers and towers and stuff, and then I get all the gold out of those. And you can smelt the pins off of there. I just grabbed a little plastic cap thing. You pull it off the computer, you hold it with a pair of pliers, and you heat off all the pins off of it, and it turns into these little tiny small pins. And it's it's quite the process, but at least with the CPUs, you get all these little pins, and there's one of them. There's a pin right there. It's a gold pin. It's solid gold. So yeah, you get those off, and you can melt them. It's awesome, and you can make some money. I'm gonna be doing some more stuff too. So yeah, I got lots of dirt down on the floor there that I gotta process and dry out and all that. And I can't wait to start doing more. So yeah, I'll I'll let you go in a few minutes, and when the time comes up, then I'll show you how it works. It's pretty cool. It's got a 25-30 minutes. So after these messages, thanks for watching for now, and I'll see you in a bit.